Welcome to the RBT Application tutorial, where we'll walk through the steps of completing and submitting an RBT application as of January 2nd, 2025. Let's get started. Before you begin the application, make sure you have the completed and signed attestation form, the 40-hour training certificate, and the initial competency assessment form. Double-check that the documents and information are correct and readable before submitting your application. Inaccurate information may cause delays in processing your application. Just like other BACB applications, you'll submit the application in your BACB account. After logging into your account, click on the RBT tab and then click Apply for the RBT credential. Next, you'll review the application instructions and confirm that you've read the RBT handbook and that you, the applicant, are completing the application. No other person is permitted to complete an application on the applicant's behalf. The next screen includes your contact information. Be sure to review each field and update any outdated information. We recommend using your personal email address, one that you can always access. Also, make sure your account name matches your current legal name. This will be important for the review of your documentation and because the name in your account must match the two forms of identification you'll need to bring with you when you take the exam. Next, you'll provide additional information such as your date of birth, highest degree held, primary age of your clientele, among others. On the next screen, you will be uploading the attestation form. Start by adding the name of the person who completed your age, background check, abuse registry check, and education attestations, and the name of the organization where they are employed. Next, you'll complete the attestations, choose the attestation file from your device, click Upload, and confirm the correct file was added. Next is the training section. Here, you'll add information about the responsible trainer who completed your 40-hour training, the organization that provided the training, and the training dates. Remember, this information must match the training certificate. Complete the attestations about the training certificate and upload it. Now, add information about your initial competency assessment, including the name of the responsible assessor who completed your initial competency assessment, where they're employed, and the date they signed the initial competency assessment form. Answer the attestations and upload the document. Make sure both pages of the assessment are included. In the next portion of the application, you'll answer questions about your eligibility to apply for certification. If your response is yes for one or both of the last two questions, you will receive an email from the BACB providing instructions of steps you must take as part of the application review. If you are requesting an examination accommodation, you'll indicate that in the application. Once the application is submitted, you will receive an email if additional information is needed, and if so, how to submit the information. Before submitting your application, be sure to thoroughly read and acknowledge the application processing agreement. Finally, you'll review the application summary and click Checkout to pay. After you have submitted your application and made payment, you'll receive an emailed receipt right away. We'll let you know via email if any additional information is needed when we review your application. Remember, an application will expire 90 days from payment, so we recommend monitoring your email. If you have more questions about the updated application process, check out the RBT Handbook and the 2025 RBT Application Update document. Thanks for watching.